So guys, this what they call a Rawlbolt. It just focuses you. Yes, this one is 8mm. So for this, I'll need a 10mm drill bit, and these are Rawlbolt with the hooks. These are very good for hanging heavy stuff, like hammocks or flowers on concrete walls. And this project is what I want to do. I want to hang 4 pieces. I got an extra one because this can be very problematic. So I'm just going to be using a drill. And I got an extra steel drill bit just in case I run into some rebar and I need to go through it. So it's going to come in very handy. So I'll be using a drill. One that has a hammer is very good for drilling into walls. And I need an extension cord. Of course, get some gloves and some safety glasses. Stay safe. We don't want anybody. And yes, get a masonry drill bit. Yeah, it's very ideal for going into the walls. This is a 10mm drill bit. Only it focuses. Okay, it's a 10mm drill bit. Wall right now. Then we're gonna put our Rawlbolt that has a hook, and then proceed to hang the one of the flowers. It's very straightforward. That's how they say guns blazing. Guns blazing. All right, now we're gonna. Okay, ordinarily it would be nice to vacuum your hole, but because this is the African version of redneck, we're not gonna do that right now. We're gonna go straight into putting in our Rawlbolt. So once you drill your hole into the concrete wall, just make sure you hammer it very carefully so that the small metals that are supposed to expand once it goes in, don't get dismantled. So hammer it softly until it goes all the way. Once it's hammered in, take a wrench or just use your hand to first of all tighten it. So now what you're doing is you're pulling back, pulling in that bolt, so they can expand and take a tight fit inside the concrete hole, So you want to push this one all the way to the back and then take a spanner and turn this bolt like so. You'll feel it getting firmer and firmer. You want to turn it for a good 30 to 40 times, and that's it. That's how you get a strong, nice fit on the wall, and you can hang your stuff here. Just make sure you don't hang your friends, okay? Good stuff. Yeah, so we're now ready to hook up our flower to the hook that's mounted onto the concrete wall using a Rawlbolt, And this is a special Rawlbolt that has a hook. Nice and easy. Takes up a lot of weight, and it's a nice and clean attachment. So this is how you do it. So normally, just get your husband to do these things. If you can't get your husband to do these things, get your son, your brother, your cousin, but make sure you have men around doing these types of things. All right. Is the final job. Hanging flowers using Rawlbolt with hooks. That's how you get the job done, Looking fantastic. This client is definitely a happy client, and they are going to pay me a lot of money. So you can see the hook up there. Let me show you a good one here with a good shot, the better light, So this is how the hook looks like. Yes, looks like that. Nice and neat and very strong. This one can hang even an elephant.